Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to activate an ad blocker within Microsoft Edge. This useful feature improves your web browsing by blocking annoying advertisements and hidden trackers. To begin, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Look at the upper right side of the window and click on the three horizontal dots. From the resulting menu, choose Settings. This area allows you to modify various aspects of your browser. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy, Search, and Services tab. This section is vital for improving your security, as it contains the ad blocking tools we need. Look for the Tracking Prevention header and ensure the main toggle switch is enabled. Activating this is your first step toward a cleaner, more private web experience. You can choose between three levels: Basic, Balanced, or Strict. Basic provides minimal blocking but keeps sites working perfectly. Balanced is the suggested choice, as it stops trackers from sites you haven't visited. Strict offers the highest protection, but may cause some websites to load incorrectly. Now, let's look at how to enable specific ad blocking extensions. If you aren't already there, go back to the three dots in the top right and select Settings again. This time, click on the Extensions category to manage your browser add-ons. You will see a list of your installed tools here. Locate your preferred ad blocker and simply flip the toggle switch next to it to the on position. This activates the extension so it can start filtering out ads immediately. You are now ready to enjoy a faster, more streamlined experience on Microsoft Edge. Feel free to tweak these options whenever you like. Thanks for watching.